Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by aligning the metal edging where the edge must be permanent. You want a clean, consistent line. Drive stakes every 3 to 4 feet to hold it taut and prevent rotation. Once done, make sure pieces overlap 1 to 2 inches and fasten with bolts or rivets so joints stay square. You're doing this to control soil creep and create a crisp barrier, so work in short runs and correct bends immediately to avoid rework later. You now dig a shallow trench about 2 to 3 inches deep so the metal sits stable and resists shifting. Tap the edging with a rubber mallet until it's flush or only a 1/4 inch exposed. This preserves mower clearance and appearance. For curves, bend gradually, heat gently if needed, and place extra stakes on the convex side to counter outward pressure. Once things look aligned, backfill and compact soil against the edging so it stays rigid under traffic and irrigation. You finish by backfilling and tamping soil firmly against the metal, then apply mulch or gravel up to the edge to hide the seam. Trim any uneven tops and treat exposed cuts with paint or caps to slow rust. If a section heaves or bends, loosen nearby stakes, realign and retamp. Add additional anchors on problem areas. If metal is badly warped, replace that run rather than forcing it. This keeps the border functional and avoids future maintenance headaches.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.